I'm Alex Salton.
And I'm Jack Reising.
And we're here to talk to you about chemical engineering.
Things like
helium balloons, like M&M's.
I'm going to trim it. And air sanitizer.
Engineering deals with the technology and large-scale chemical production and the manufacture of products through the chemical process. Come on, we're going to see a chemical reaction right here. You ready?
Nice!
Most colleges have an undergraduate program where you can receive a bachelor's, a master's, or a doctorate in chemical engineering. A bachelor's takes approximately 4 years to complete, a master's takes about 6, and a doctorate takes about 8 years to complete. An in-state option to get your chemical engineering degree is the University of Cincinnati, where it costs about $25,000 a year for tuition. An out-of-state option is the University of Purdue, where tuition is approximately $35,000
While
a year.
in college, you will be required to take many math and science classes, and you can receive both classroom experience and on-the-job training with a co-op program.
Fresh out of college, if you got a bachelor's degree, your earnings about $40,000 a year. If you got your master's, well, it's about $45,000 to $50,000 a year. But if you got your doctorates, that's about $80,000 a year. If you're looking for the maximum wage around the Cincinnati/Middleton area, it's going to be about $89,000 a year. For the highest average paying job, you have to go way over to Richmond, New Jersey, and that's about $149,000 to $150,000 a year.
Engineers spend most of their workday in labs, and the average workday is about 8 to 9 hours long.
From 2010 to 2020, the job is supposed to grow 6%.
The leading employers for chemical engineers include GE, Procter & Gamble, U.S. Steel Corporation, and Shell, just to name a few.
Georgie Davis taught the first chemical engineering classes at the Manchester Technical School in England. The American Institute of Chemical Engineers was founded. In
1925, the American Institute of Chemical Engineers began recognizing all chemical engineering programs in colleges.
This is Mrs. Johnson. She's a chemical engineer. And who do you work for?
Procter & Gamble.
Okay. So how many years of college did you go to? And where did you go?
Let's see. I guess it's a total of 7 years, or 6 years. I did undergraduate at Cleveland State University, which is the Fenn College of Engineering is part of the university there. And then graduate work at University of Kentucky.
Oh, cool. Okay. I gotta think of the other ones now. We are doing some clips. I'm sorry about that.
So how many years of experience do you have on the job?
I was hired right out of graduate school, so I've been working for 27 years, a little over 27 years actually, and all for the same company. So I didn't switch companies, but I did move around with Procter & Gamble to different parts of the business, and also moved locations one time. The most fun things I do at work are probably when I'm faced with a new challenge, some previously unsolvable question or problem that we have. And my role in R&D is to do that kind of work more often than any other type. So I'm constantly presented with some new challenge that we have, something that we have a business that needs a new product idea, or an area that P&G wants to get into that we're not previously into before. And so I'll be put onto that kind of project and, do whatever's needed at the time. And, the toughest challenge that you said?
Toughest challenge.
Toughest challenge? I would say, well, it has changed over the years. In the beginning, the toughest challenge was just being a new engineer for a big company with a lot of really experienced people there, and being a woman, since it was fairly unusual to be a female engineer, certainly one with an advanced degree. The challenge, I think, for me there was just being able to be heard, in meetings and working with colleagues and that. Then the challenge kind of moved from that into just dealing with the ups and downs of a big company in the corporate business that, we're constantly faced with increasing competitive activity and changing commodity prices, lots of competition, and all of those things make our business more and more challenging over the years. And also our size. We've increased significantly in size, and the bigger we've gotten, the better, but at the same time, with size comes some additional challenges, just managing very, very large numbers of people all trying to work together. There are really great parts of that, though, there's amazing people that work there, and pretty much any kind of technical challenge or question you have, you will find somebody there who has knowledge, and everyone is very collaborative, so it's very much fun and interesting to work with them, and you meet new people constantly, and you work on project teams where you're pretty different from each other, but you come together to solve a problem, and that's really, really fun.
I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and I also hope that someday you yourself will get to become a chemical engineer.
And stay classy. Like that. Go for it, Alex. Hello, my name is Alex Dalton, and I'm a ginger. There he goes. Oh, hello, I'm here again.